Hello everybody, my name is Masoud, English teacher, along with my friend Farid.
Hi, my name is Farid. I can't speak English well and I want to learn English with my teacher Masoud. I invite you to attend in my classroom.
Thanks, Farid. First of all, as you know, there are lots of different channels in cyberspace that you can take advantage of dear teachers teaching. But our channel differs in some items that we wanna talk about there. After checking these channels for a long time, truly I couldn't find the one that explained the subjects basically and according to a regular syllabus.
Exactly.
What does it mean? It means the lessons aren't posted regularly and they are scattered. For instance, they are talking about the food, but suddenly the topic changed and it is spoken about the sports.
It's so bad.
Yes. Or choose a location to describe the words, phrases, and so on. But they don't notice the level of the words that are being described. But the second point. The second point is about teaching grammar. I really noticed that grammar to be taught, or if so, it is spread from vocabulary and conversation, provided grammar should be taught between the subjects that
Yes.
the students learn how to make sentence and not only say them by heart.
Exactly.
Yes. And the last point, Farid. The last point and the most important point that distinguishes our channel is about teaching method. We go ahead, completely lesson by Oxford Wodesky's book, and grammar is taught by the books Oxford Practice Grammar and Grammar in Use between lessons. And hopefully to have a useful contribution in your learning. So, if you are keen on learning English from scratch, please subscribe our channel and share it to your friends and make us delighted and support us with your comments and likes. Thanks for watching this video and have a great time.
Goodbye. I hope you have a good time in my classroom.